In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to limit access with a folder in Canva. Working with teammates in Canva can make content creation much faster and more organized. But as your workspace grows, it becomes even more important to control who can see or edit certain folders. If everyone has full access, important designs can be changed by mistake, files can get disorganized, and sensitive materials may be visible to the wrong people. The good news is that Canva makes it fairly simple to manage folder access right inside the platform. To begin, open Canva and go to your main home dashboard. From there, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Projects. This is where Canva stores your folders, designs, and other shared assets. Once the project view loads, take a moment to find the specific folder you want to protect. Make sure you identify the correct one before moving on, especially if you manage a lot of folders with similar names. When you found the folder, don't open it. Instead, move your mouse over the folder thumbnail and look toward the upper right corner. You should see a 3-dot options icon appear. Click that icon to open the folder's settings menu. This menu gives you access to several actions related to that folder, and it's where the sharing controls begin. In the menu that appears, look for the Share option and click it. This will open Canva's sharing panel in the center of your screen. This is the area where you can manage who has access to the folder and what level of access they have. If you've used Canva sharing for designs before, this screen will feel familiar, but here you're applying those controls at the folder level. Next, look for the Team Access section. In many cases, the folder may already be set, so anyone on your team can view or edit it. To limit access, click the drop-down next to your team's permission setting. Then choose the option that best fits what you need, such as no access if you want to block the folder completely, or can view if you want others to see the contents without being able to make changes. This is the key step for protecting the folder from unwanted edits. Before you finish, review the list of people or groups shown in the sharing panel. Confirm that only the right users still have editing access and that the folder permissions match your intention. Once everything looks correct, close the panel by clicking the Close button or clicking outside the window. Canva will save the updated access settings automatically, and that's it. You've now limited access to a folder in Canva, helping keep your files secure, organized, and under control. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.